Hey everyone, this is Matt at S&P USA. Today, I'd like to review S&P USA's Outside Air products and how they can be used to improve IAQ. Now you may be asking yourself, what is IAQ? Well, IAQ stands for Indoor Air Quality, which is basically a measure of how healthy the indoor air we breathe is. According to the EPA, Americans spend approximately 90% of their time indoors, where they're exposed to pollutant concentrations that are often 2 to 5 times higher than typical outdoor concentrations. These pollutants, such as VOCs, radon, and chemicals, get trapped inside due to the building codes that require tightly sealed structures. This exposure to pollutants can have short-term, uncomfortable effects such as headaches, dizziness, and fatigue, but more importantly, repeated exposure can cause respiratory diseases, heart disease, and cancer, which can be debilitating or even fatal. Let's take a look at some of the codes and standards that regulate indoor air quality. The ASHRAE 622 standard sets the minimum requirements for mechanical ventilation systems to provide acceptable IAQ in residential buildings. Building codes such as the International Residential Code and International Mechanical Code amend and reference these requirements to ensure occupant health. There are two basic requirements: whole house ventilation and local exhaust. The first basic requirement, whole house ventilation, is intended to dilute the concentration of pollutants through either an exhaust-only, supply-only, or combo system. The continuous ventilation rate is determined by either an equation or a table. This can be a little confusing for someone not familiar with these ventilation requirements. So let's do a quick example. Say you need to determine the required continuous ventilation rate for a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3,000 square foot home. Using the equation, you would take 1% of the floor area, which is 3,000, and add it to 7.5 times the number of bedrooms, which is 3, plus 1, which equals 60 cubic feet per minute. You'll notice that you get the same CFM when using the table. The second basic requirement, local exhaust, is intended to remove contaminants from kitchens and bathrooms. A continuous or intermittent local mechanical exhaust system shall be installed in each kitchen and bathroom and meet the CFM requirements in this table. Remember, the local exhaust fans do count towards the whole house ventilation requirement. So for this example, two 30 CFM bathroom exhaust fans running continuously would meet the ventilation requirement in addition to a 100 CFM intermittent range hood in the kitchen. In addition to these two basic requirements, the International Energy Conservation Code requires that mechanical ventilation system fans meet the efficacy requirements in this table. Now that we have a general understanding of residential IAQ and the codes and standards that regulate it, let's look at all of the S&P Outside Air product solutions, starting with the good and working our way to the best. The MD6 ES24BK kit combines our 6-inch round 24-volt motorized damper with our easy-to-use 24-volt EnviroSense ventilation control to provide a supply-only outside air solution that works with the existing air handler unit to introduce fresh air to the home. Program the control to open the damper and run the air handler for a set amount of time per hour to meet code. You even have the ability to limit operation based on high and low temperature and humidity settings to ensure that only temperate fresh air is supplied. The TD Mix Vent series, S&P's best-selling product worldwide, are inline mixed-flow duct fans specially designed to maximize the airflow performance with low noise levels in a compact housing. This makes the TD Mix Vent series the ultimate solution for small to medium-sized ventilation installations, which require a high airflow to pressure ratio and have limited space. The TD Mix Vent group of fans can be used as a supply-only, exhaust-only, or combo system to provide fresh air. The Premium Choice line of bathroom exhaust fans is all about the choice. With a complete line of model options including AC motors, DC motors, full-size models, low-profile models, and a value series, you are sure to find the right fan for your application. With a complete line of plug-and-play accessory options such as speed controls, humidity, motion, and IAQ sensors, lighted grills, radiation dampers, and more, you can definitely choose the right fan for the job. The Premium Choice group of fans can be used as an exhaust-only or combo system to provide fresh air. The IntelliVent kit is a great example of how the PC line of fans can be used as a combo system to meet ventilation needs. IntelliVent is comprised of a low-profile bathroom exhaust fan, outside air motorized damper kit, and relay. These components work together to provide cost-effective, balanced fresh air to the dwelling. The Refresh series is S&P's ultimate all-in-one supply fan for outside air. This rugged inline fan was specifically engineered to supply fresh air to the residents with its galvanized housing, filter slot, acoustic insulation, and preset fan speeds. There are multiple Refresh fan variations including low profile, AC or EC motors, and factory installed power cords and ES24V controls. We also offer 2-inch thick MERV 8 and MERV 13 filter options to make sure the outside supply air is clean and help improve IAQ. The Refresh series can be used as a supply-only or combo system to provide fresh air. The S&P TR series is the best outside air solution available. Use the TR line of high-quality ERVs to simultaneously supply and exhaust equal amounts of air to the home as a balanced filtered solution. The two air streams never touch, but they pass through a high-efficiency core that transfers heat and humidity from one stream to the other. This recovers some of the energy that would normally just be wasted with a typical supply or exhaust fan. There are 4 models available with standard galvanized steel housing, MERV 8 filter, power cord, and low voltage control options. The TR series is the ultimate combo system to provide fresh air. Don't forget, we also offer an assortment of controls that enable fans to meet outside air requirements. This includes programmable timers, switches, and temperature and humidity sensing controls like our ES24B. All of this information can be found in our new Outside Air Solutions brochure, which can be downloaded from our website at the link below. Thank you for joining me today. This is Matt, your S&P USA product engineer. So long, plow, advancing ventilation.